So let's get some more practice on decision statements. How about we create a zoo ticket application, and it would be nice to have an automated program that calculates the correct ticket price for entrance of this zoo. The ticket price should generally be $10 per person, but should also include a discount, so that is only $5 in just 3 cases. 1. For young people aged 15 and under. 2. For people aged greater than 60. And 3. If you are a student, then you'll also get the discount. So how can we build a program like this? First, let's keep track of our ticket price by declaring it as a variable, and we'll give it an initial general value of 10, and we'll change this value to our discounted price of 5 later on in our code. Then, to tell if someone qualifies for a discount, we'll also need variable that keep tracks of someone's age and whether or not they are a student. I've chosen to represent age as a whole number as an int, and whether a person is a student or not can either be true or false, so that will be a boolean. So let's say we have access to the value of these two variables, but we don't exactly know what their value will be. Now let's consider our first discount condition, that someone is 15 years old or younger. We basically want to turn this into an if statement where a test condition checks if age is less than or equal to 15, and if that's true, we execute code to give the person a discount and set our ticket price to 5. So to write our first test for age 15 and under as a boolean comparison, we'd say if age is less than or equal to 15, then if this is true, inside our if we want to set the ticket price to our discount value of 5, and at the end of our code I want to print out the value of ticket price for us to see. Now if we run this code and the age variable is less than 15, say 11-year-old, we'll pass our if test condition and our ticket price will be set to 5, and we'll print this value out. But if our age is greater than 15, like 17, we don't enter our if statement, and our ticket price will remain our initial general value of 10, and that value will be printed. Our other two discount condition will be checking if someone's age is greater than, not greater than or equal to 60 years old, and if a person is a student or not. So let's look at how to check age greater than 60. For that, we can write an else if, and inside the parenthesis of else if, we write a test condition which says age greater than 60. Now for the student discount, we can write another else if, and inside the parenthesis of that, we can just put our boolean variable is student. Now let's put some value inside our variable and trace the program. Here we have the age set to 17 and is student set to false. Our Java program will check the first if condition, which is age less than equal to 15, and evaluate it to false. So it will go down and check the next else if condition, which is age greater than 60. As 17 is not greater than 60, so this evaluation will also be false, and Java will again go down. Now Java will check the last else if, which is student variable is true or not. In this case it is not true, so again Java will evaluate it to false, and it will go down and print 10 because no discount was applied. Now let's look at one final example. Here the age is set to 72, so our Java program will check the first if condition, which is age less than equal to 15, and evaluate it to false. So it will go down and checks the next else if condition, which is age greater than 60. This time the value of age is 72, so 72 is greater than 60, so this time our evaluation is true and the ticket price is set to 5, and then Java will get out of the if statement and will print out 5. Perfect.